It is not the first, second, fifth, or 11th season of Ungazibulale Awareness, but the 12th anniversary of Ungazibulale Awareness campaign. What a wow. Now we're gonna speak to the visionary and tell us who is really Nkululeko Khanye.
Look, thank you so much for this question, and thanks to everyone, the media that is here today. 12 years, I must be very honest with you. People will ask these questions, how did you make it for 12 years as Ungazibulale? The journey, yes, there were challenges, but Tinage and Ungazibulale, when we come across facing challenges, we don't take them as a really deep challenges, but it's part of accelerating life. Let's press on, let's keep on doing, let's keep on giving the best to our supporters. Ungazibulale 12 years. There was Ungazibulale 5, there was Ungazibulale 8, but this year it's 12 years.
Before further ado, I would be making a mistake mangabuze ukuthi what is Ungazibulale campaign and how did it come about ukuthi uze with this sensitive campaign, and we see ukuthi ingcindezi that abantu are facing in this country. How did it come about, and what is Ungazibulale Awareness campaign?
Ungazibulale, it's me. Ungazibulale, it's you. Ungazibulale, it's everyone that is here today. Ungazibulale, it's not for Nkululeko or a certain organization. Yes, we are the drivers and the visionary of this initiative. But Ungazibulale, the truth is, proudly so to the viewers, I am a victim of depression and a survivor of suicide twice. I then started this initiative 12 years back, Yokuseva in nation, because I saw that the state of depression, it's rising in our society. Remember kunalento ebikhona ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama siya poisonwa, witchcraft, or being dramatic. Umuntu omnyama kana depression for a certain race. But if you can look at today, most people who are dying each and every minute, abantu abamnyama izinga likhuphula kakhulu, akuselo ngabelungu, akusebona amandiya, ithina abantu abamnyama, and kakhulu abantu abendlule emhlabeni amadoda. A minute silahlekelwa 85 amadoda. In South Africa, we are the second country in the whole world. The first country is Spain. South Africa, it's number 2. 480,000 ngosuku amadoda alahlekelwa izimpilo zabo. Yingakho Ungazibulale wabana lento leyo ukuthi ke let's be the voice, let's be the beacon of hope to the nation. Umuntu othi usalahlelwe ithemba othi yena ifuna emathuneni thina sibanqande emathuneni.
Wow, brilliant. This is quite a sensitive campaign, I must say. Surely it's not easy to run such a powerful campaign that deals with people's hearts, that deals with people's souls. So obviously there are challenges out there, and I just want us to tell us, I know there are a lot of people that are coming and also looking up to you right now, so we're just gonna keep it short and ask Kogoti, what are those challenges that you come across? I'm sure there's a lot.
Look, like any other people, a person with a vision, there will be challenges. Sometimes there are people who come and promise, and then while you're still expecting those promises to be fulfilled, I pull it out in a second. So those things, all these years, and I'm still pleading to the officials, government, business people, everyone, come on board. We are dying as a nation. Depression is real. Abantu bayaphela intambo namaphilisi nebha. Wena ungayibuka lento kusasekude. Mhlaya ngene ekhaya lakho that's when you realize lento ikhona. So yes, those are the challenges esibe nawo ukuthi we run a project, and remember we are a non-profit organization. Asenze inzuzo. So we're expecting abantu ukuthi they must come on board. Loyana elethu siyoshintsha impilo yalo yamuntu. It's not only for us as Nkululeko Khanye or Ungazibulale Awareness campaign, but it's for the nation. So those are the challenges that we are coming across, that we still believe we made it through challenges.
As I'm looking at a background yako, you can just take a look at it. I see a lot of messages and a lot of languages that are written there. I see French, I see Spanish, I see Sesotho, I see Shona,
Shona,
and then
yes,
yes. Would you say this is a national event or it's just a South African thing?
Today we are joined with our brothers and sisters who travel all the way from Zimbabwe. So how are we going to be accommodating them? So the way to accommodate them was to welcoming them by saying Usazivurai in Shona. And then we've got people from Spain who travel all the way from Spain to attend this initiative. So you see, we are accommodating everyone. If we can't go and I must be accommodated. If we don't call Obuya Egiani Nai Agafile will come Obuya Lesotho. What I like about Tunga's Bulal Awareness campaign, as said this year we're celebrating the 12 years. It has attracted the nation, meaning this is a global initiative. It's no longer only for South Africa or for a certain province, but nationwide. If kunabantu who travel from Free State, kunabantu who travel from Polokwane, KwaZulu Natal, beze meaning ukhona umehluko okhona umphakathini. So it's for everyone. It's for yours, for all nations.
Obviously, starting this campaign, organizations, someone would say, I think he's also a victim. I think he once experienced what now he's coming up with. Would you say you were once in a lifetime where you experienced such a thing, where you are thinking of maybe committing suicide as well?
Remember, I said this earlier when we were starting the interview that I am indeed, proudly so, the victim of depression and the survivor of suicide twice. Uma ubona mina ubona umuntu who should have died long time ago, but umusa uthike uthina zungu wanqaba umusa. I was saved by umusa kaNkulunkulu, and this is why I'm here for, and doing this thing passionately to save others who might be going through the downfall of their lives. Ukuthi la khona ebusethu umuntu kuphelile, but also as a voice of the nation ukuthi abantu bengazami mina engakuzama, mina ngenzela umusa don't know nami kanjani ngoba wena uzokuzama ungabuyi. There's no turning back with depression, there's no turning back with suicide. Wena ngenzelwa mina umusa. So yes, I am a victim of depression and a survivor of suicide twice, and now my story is no longer in South Africa, but it's globally with my story that the mess of my life that I've been there.
Mr. CEO, Mr. Kanye, I see today there are a lot of people that came to support you. I see big names. I see Abo Zanele Mbokazi. I see Abo Somizi. They are here today. They are here to say, we support you. I just want to say, kudos. And also, I would be making a mistake if I don't ask you this. Tim, are you receiving any financial support from the government? What are they saying? What are they saying about this?
For the first time, I would like to thank the Department of Government, especially particularly the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, under the leadership Kababa Uzizi Kodwa, no Deputy Minister Umama Unotawe Mafu, and the leadership Ga Dr. Ustela Kuman Uguti. They heard our cries. Bazile Bazoti nabo as the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture naku abazothi ungazibulale awuqhubeke umsebenzi awungafi. So siyabonga kakhulu ku government, and we still believe ukuthi ke namanye ama stakeholders namanye ama department azogcina engenelile ngoba lento it's not for a certain department, it's for all departments. Siyawudinga uSAPS, siyawudinga correctional services, siyawudinga uDSD social development, uDepartment of Health awukwazi ukuthula abantu befa kangaka. We need all education. Siyabadinga abantwana bethu bayibulala ezikoleni, ibullying ikhona enganeni zethu. So amaphoyisa iwona zibulala kakhulu futhi amaphoyisa. So we need each other to make this car move. Yes, indeed today siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi department yakwa Arts and Culture South Africa ubaba Uzizi Kodwa bakwazile ukuthi bangenelele ekutheni lo msebenzi wanamhlanje awuqhubeke.
Budwame, there are a lot of people who want to get interviewed also. As you can see, your red carpet is very busy today. But just the last one. There is someone right now who is at home in a dark place. Uyayibopha intambo, I can see. He's trying to commit suicide. And there is someone who is driving that car today, ufuna ukuziphonsa kwi-truck and say, it's over about me. What would be your last message to that person?
Before sifika lapho, ngiyacela ukusho ukuthi today, as we see the number, we as an organization, attendance yethu, it was like 1,200, but we had to open more seats. Sikhulumisana namnazivini because in number it is exceeded. So 3,000 and siyabonga kakhulu lokho kuthina kusho ukuthi abantu bayakholela kakhulu kule initiative. As I've mentioned, if abantu they're crossing ama border from Swaziland coming for this initiative, meaning kukhona into ekhona ngeke ngihlale ngingabongi amaciko as South Africa akhona aphumile ngobuningi babo. Ukhona umama weGlory of the Last Days uzobe babusisa ngaphakathi, ukhona uSiphelo Ndiwe Nxumalo uzobe khona Khanyisile Myeni uzobe khona kanti uAyandantanzi uzobe khona ebagidisa ogogo ngosama Ayandantanzi uthandwa kakhulu abantu abadala bathi sizelele umfana wethu. Ukhona Ayandantanzi akhona amanye amaciko ohlengiwe emhlaba nabo bakhona baningi ngingababalalula ama artists angazi ngingafikapi nezwi lenkosi Bishop Thwala uzobe khona bazobe bekhona abafundisi abahlanhlelo. Ukhona ke umama uSG uNomvula Munkonyane naye we are honored ukuthi to be joined by her nokujoinwa by MMC waka community development la kwi province. Kanti ka futhi ke uzobe khona no executive mayor wethu wala Gauteng ubaba uGwamanda naye who's going to join us. Kanti abaphathi bohlelo bakithi ngengicela ngabusho lokho uhalisa bonke amakhaya insizwa yakwaMhlongo from Ukhoza FM usiyabonga usiyamhlongo uzobenza izinto zakhe. This young man lapha uzobenyakazisa abantu ehambisana ke no Soweto Mandlazi MC bethu banamhlanje. Into engizoyisho nje mhlawumbe ngabalula kakhulu kubantu abangekho into ezokwenzeka namhlanje will be honoring and remembering all those people that we know them in a creative industry naba prominent nalabo abangekho prominent who lost their lives through suicide. Kuzoqala kube nendumiso nje enkulu eyehora lapha khona kuzobe kushintshana khona befundisi kuphinde kube nomkhuleko nama testimonies and then ekugcineni there will be candlelight la khona sebesithi we just recently lost our lady who's been a very supportive person umlungu lo uMary Botma who has been supporting ungazibulali. She just lost her life nje enyangeni ezimbalwa. So today so basically siyamkhumbula siyamthanda. He's been supporting us abo Rikiriki WHP Professor Bongani Mayosi, you can name all those people. Akumunandi ukuthi simention amagama onjengalawo lento ikhona bayaphela abantu. So I service ya today izoba mnandi kodwa kuzoba khona ikhati zokuthi abantu akesikhale ake sizokhuluma sizwe nama testimonies nama stakeholders who came on board nabo bazobe beshare their journey ezubona ke inamba ngendlela egcwele ngakhona.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khanye. It has been really a pleasure chatting to you. And right now, before say Valanje this thing, I just want us to tell, just in short, ukuthi abobani abazibulala kakhulu. Do you think amadoda or abafazi or kuyafana?
Iqiniso ukuthi abantu besilisa ibona istate sesibonayo abahamba kakhulu. Insizwe ezincane lezi our future leaders ohulumeni bethu bakusazi. But because of our challenges ababa nawo endleleni they decided to end their lives. One into ekhona enye thina antu ngazibulala esishintshayo sithi ke indoda ayikhulume indoda ekhaya. Ilento esifunayo angithi thina sitsheliwe ngokhokho nomkhulu esingamazi wathi indoda ayikhali kwathiwa singama tiger. Who hears the pain yethu thina njengamadoda? Who hears the pain? Bamadoda namadoda bangabantu banenyama bayazwela bayafuna ukuba neshoulder labezokhala khona bakhipha ubuhlungu babo. So abantu who lost their lives kakhulu nowadays abantu besilisa and see against that siyacela abantu besilisa. You know, if you can see even the capacity of this event today, this 3,000 something that is here, 75% amadoda agcwele. Funny enough, a nice part about today kugcwele ngisho abelungu abakhona la ngaphakathi. People will see it ama video abelungu abazile nabo amadoda kakhulu azokhuluma azokhala. Yes, abantu besifazane kujwayelekile akujwayelanga kakhulu suke nje mhlawumbe ukuthi ama relationship into esuke isibaxakile kodwa amadoda iwona azibulala kakhulu abantu abasha, kakhulu obaba, kakhulu amaphoyisa evela decide ukuthi abulala ingane, abulala unkosikazi, azibulale wona. Yinto against yona anti ungazibulala. Thina sijabuliswa ukuthi in our call center ebesiyilodja yesterday i-hotline ukuthi aseyakwazi ukufona amadoda and siyanxusa ukuthi sizohambela emakhaya. Sidinga ama-stockholders, sidinga ama-sponsors, sidinga abantu esizopartnership nabo, sidinga ama-organization iy'nkampani eziphethe iy'mali enginibonayo njengoba nigcwele la ukuthi niney'mali. Sifuna lezi mali namhlanje nizishiyela, akekho ozophuma la today engapledganga. Yes, akekho ozophuma la engapledganga ukuthi labo 50,000, 20,000, we need to save each other, one another.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khanyi. I just kuyivala ngifuna nje just ngifuna umlaleli ekhaya, umbuki ekhaya ake afunde lamagama amahle abhalwe khona lana. Maybe you can just move to your left or right, and then I want my camera guy to just zoom in and see these beautiful messages that are written there. There is not a matter, Osiju, Nete Suicide Pasa, which is French, don't kill yourself. Songo Dibulaha, I believe it's Venda, Ungatibulale. It's just so beautiful. So thank you so much to Ungazibulali awareness campaign. We cannot wait to see you inside and see what is happening. Thank you so much.
Okay. And take you on a journey. When I was